Afiyet Olsun! Hello everybody and welcome back to English with Chami. Today we are going to look at Afiyet Olsun. This is a very common Turkish phrase that's used to wish someone a happy meal. And today we're going to learn 5 phrases that mean Afiyet Olsun. 5 English phrases that mean Afiyet Olsun. And if you're ready, let's get started. So the first phrase is bon appetit. Bon appetit. Bon appetit. This is actually a French phrase, but it's very commonly used in English. And the second commonly used phrase to wish someone a happy meal is enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal. Or enjoy your food. And sometimes we can simply say enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. And then the next one is have a good meal. Have a good meal. Have a good meal. Or simply good meal. Good meal. And then the last one is happy eating. Happy eating. Happy eating. Alrighty. There you have it, 5 different phrases to use when wishing someone a happy meal. I hope you use one of these, and like I said, bon appetit and enjoy your meal are the most commonly used in English. Okay, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you in my next one. Take care, bye!